Okay, let's jump right into sequence. So, just a little refresher. So, sequence is authors use this text structure. Remember, text structure is the pieces that authors use to put their text or stories together. Okay, so in this case, the structure that the author is using is sequence. They're giving us the steps, or they're giving us the dates or timelines in which things happen. In this case, how scientists use their microscopes, what happens when fruit decays, or how long it takes, or the process in which fruit decays. So, authors use text structure to organize information in a nonfiction text. Sequence is one kind of text structure. Remember that I told you that there's five, right? You have problem and solution, cause and effect, you have description, you have problem and solution, and then you have a sequence. So we're going to be focusing on sequence. So authors who use this text structure present information in time order and use words that signal time. So for example, on page 355 of your World Up Close, that's the text that you guys read the first 2 days of this week, Monday and Tuesday, says, I read how fruit decays over time. I will look for signal words such as first and after. So if you guys look at the little chart, it says first, the fruit looks fresh. They're referring to the strawberry, right? It looks red, it's beautiful, it's juicy, it's ready to eat, it's very sweet. After a few days, that signals that time has passed, right? It softens and then mold appears. So if you guys leave a strawberry out too long, you're gonna start noticing that it starts getting like those little fuzzy specks on them, right? And that happens after a few days. They get super soft and you can't really eat them. Okay, more days go by, so that's signaling that more time has gone by, so now it's later and the fruit is covered in mold. So first, let's say you guys buy the fruit on Sunday, so Sunday's the first day, the fruit looks fresh. After a few days, let's say it's maybe 4 days, right? So this is later on in the week, it starts to soften and then mold appears. More days go by. Now this is the following week on like Wednesday, and then the fruit by then is covered in mold. So anything that is signaling time, a process, dates, or steps in how to do something is sequence. Okay, so again, just a little refresher. If you guys have any questions, just let me know.